Hey guys, this is more Glistre. I'm going to help you noobs out there with a very quick setup workspace to do modding. In this case, I'm going to be doing a setting up the workspace for Forge 1.7.10. So today I'm here with Glistre.
Yes.
And apparently he does have wood stuck under his finger.
Yes, I do.
From an accident yesterday. And this is going to be 3 steps for the install. You'll need to copy and paste the links I've put in this text document to your browser. Number 1, download Java SE 7 and make sure it's the Java 7 version, not Java 8, for this install. Secondly, you will want to download Eclipse IDE EE for developers off of the Eclipse website. And thirdly, you're going to want to install Minecraft Forge latest 1.7.10 version from the Minecraft files.minecraftforge.net version. Editing, there's a GIMP 2.8. We may want to download that as well. So for starters, let's go straight to step number 3 and just put Minecraft Forge version in.
Excuse me?
Yeah, Glistre.
And by the way, sorry for all the coughing. We get a lot of allergies this time of year.
Yeah, I get a lot of allergies this time of year. You may want to, we're working on getting a dehumidifier to help with all this rainy days that we've been having. Okay, so the first step is you want to open up your browser. I've been using Google Chrome a lot.
So Explore or something.
And I've already
Safari if you're on a Mac.
I've already downloaded mine, but let me show you where to get the download. You want to copy and paste from files.minecraftforge.net. This is a really cool website. They just recently updated it. Files.minecraftforge.net. And what a great website. It's really clear. You just go to your...
It updated in 2015.
You just go to download latest. You don't want to necessarily download recommended. Just download the latest version. Recommended just means some people voted on it. Somebody didn't like something. We're going to go straight to the 1.7 link, which is this little tab here. Click on 1.7, and we're using 1.7.10. And then that'll give us a list of all of our 1.7.10s. And the latest 1.7.10 is right here, 10.13.3.1407. You may have a more recent one if this video gets old. But as of this date, that's the most recent. And so we just want to click on the source file.
By the way, if you're on Mac, we're probably going to be sorting all this on Safari.
Yeah, if you're searching on Safari, it's the same. You're just using a different browser. Then you'll notice in the upper right-hand corner there was a wait for this spamware to get by. They need to do this to get sponsors. So you click skip, and then you see there it is downloading right here when the green button's done flashing.
It just all depends on how your computer is set up. Basically, you're going to want to get that on your desktop, right?
That's right. You're going to want to get that on your desktop, so I'm just going to move this out of the way.
However your computer is set up to have it be done.
So I think we'll start by, we'll right-click on the desktop, go to New, and create a new folder. And we're going to call this folder 1.7.10 modding or 1.7.10 programming.
If you heard that sound, please ignore it, or there's a going call outside interrupting us.
Then we want to click and hold and drag that, drop that right into that modding folder. And then Shortly after that, you'll see there it is in your new modding folder. You'll see there's Forge zip file. So you're going to want to open that file, and to open it, you're going to need to have a WinRAR or a unzip program. You're going to need WinRAR. That's free trial version, and I'm just going to extract right here, and should put all the files in there. The next step is go to the license agreement.
By the way, there's a link.
Double click on that text.
Excuse me. By
Everything
the way,
looks
there's a
good
link
there.
in the description for all the downloads like WinRAR, Forge, Eclipse, which will be showcasing soon.
That's
Stuff
right.
like that. Trying to regain your memory.
Okay, so now that we've downloaded Forge, now we're going to want to download the, I'm going to just minimize this, close out of that ad, and then from this text file where I have these links, there's the Oracle website, and you're going to need to know, if you're using Windows, whether you're 32-bit or 64-bit. So
He has all those links on his notepad so he doesn't forget them.
So you just want to go in here, click on computer, and then click on that C drive, and then click properties, and then that's going to show you there your operating system. You see mine right here, system type 32-bit. And I am in fact using old Vista computer, but it's still working just fine.
Maybe not everyone.
So here we go. We want to take the text file right here, Oracle, Control C, and then put that in your browser bar, Control V, enter, and there you have it, all the
Could you please take a
Java.
moment to read this?
Glistre wants me to let you know how long does this take. It takes a little bit, so I'll be pausing the videos while they install these different programs.
Maybe not pausing the video.
Just to speed things up a bit. So
Just wait.
so scroll down here to SC Development Kit. This is version 779, and there you have the different versions. Choose your operating system. In this case, I'm using old Vista with 32-bit. So you want to accept the license agreement, and then click on the version you want, and there's the download link right there.
Wait, does this give you free ice cream?
And there will be free ice cream when you're done with this.
No, it doesn't.
So you see, this
Okay,
takes
so,
about
just
25
gonna show you
minutes,
how to
so I'm just
download
going
this real
to
quick. If you
going
have
to
Windows
speed
Vista,
things
make
up
sure
a
you click on
bit.
the
I'm going
Windows
to
that says
edit, and when that's
x86.
done, I'll
That's for
continue.
I'm sorry, if you have the 32-bit, make sure you click on x86, and that will give you the correct download link. You may want to fast forward a bit if you already know how to download and install things, but be sure to use the standard install, and that'll put your Java SC7 into the program files, or perhaps the program folder, or in some cases it may go directly to program x86 folder when you have 32-bit, and that's going to be important later because you're going to want to copy that pathway. And if you already know how to download and install, you can fast forward a bit to the next step. Okay, the next thing you want to do is go to the program files folder, or in some cases the program files x86 folder, and let me show you how to find that real quick. You want to go to your start window, open up Windows Explorer, and there it is. So open that up, and then you want to go to your computer over here on the left, scroll down, open up computer, then open up your C drive or your main drive. Then right below that you'll see program files. So open up the program files, and that's going to give you a Java folder, which you're going to have already because you have Minecraft, but we want to go to what we just installed, which in this case is JDK, which is the Java SE7 version 79, and you want to open that up, that JDK, and then click on the bin folder. And so now we have the correct pathway in the Explorer browser bar, Explorer bar, and you want to right click on the white space, and then right click again, copy the address, which you're, and don't forget Glistrefine has wood in his finger.
Wow, it sure looks funner to be doing this than have wood stuck in your finger.
Yeah, yesterday Glistrefine had some serious wood stuck in his finger. It was pretty painful. The next step is you're going to open up your
Start menu.
start menu,
Okay, this would be different on
computer, click on System Properties, then Advanced System Settings.
Not like I have them.
When you're in the Advanced tab, you'll see Environmental Variables. This is real important. You do environmental variables, and here you can see I made a mistake earlier. I copied the wrong path. It's got to
We
be
had
in
to
the bin
re-record
folder.
it. That's what.
So delete that path. You don't want multiple paths in there, and click New, and then type in variable name capital path, and then right click and paste and then like semicolon percent path.
I don't think they're gonna be.
percent.
I don't think they're gonna be able to paste that. Only you are going to.
Okay.
They're not gonna be able to
Okay.
paste that. Only you will be able to.
I think they'll be able to paste that.
No, they haven't copied it, have they?
No, I showed them how to copy it just a minute ago.
Okay, I wasn't
Right.
paying attention then.
Okay, so now we've got that working. Now to test it, you want to open up a command prompt, CMD,
Yep, CMD. I've used that
And-
hundreds of times. Yep.
and then
So it
type
changed the icon.
JAVAC to test Java, and it should spell out a bunch of gobbledygook.
Yep.
It seems to be working.
Now it works. You see?
So that's the end of part 1. In part 2 of this tutorial, we're going to download Eclipse. That's really easy, and then set up Forge.
Bye.
Okay guys, we're ready for part 2. If you liked the last video, don't forget to like and subscribe the Glistrefine channel and the More Glistrefine channel
Don't
as
forget-
well if you want to get all our updates.
Don't forget.
And our bonus mods will be on the More Glistrefine channel.
Don't forget. I have wood in my finger.
Glistrefine is struggling with wood in his finger.
Yes.
It's very painful.
Not
Okay,
anymore.
back to the videos. So we want to, the next thing we want to do is download Eclipse. This
For the
is
first 15 minutes.
relatively
it was pretty
easy compared to
cool.
setting up the development environment. So you want to do Control C or copy that link or type it in. Open up your browser. Control V.
It's eclipse.org, blah, 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 /downloads. www.eclipse.org/downloads/. That's where you want to go.
Now you're going to want to go to the Eclipse IDE for Java EE developers.
So like for the
And
cops, we
then,
get allergies this time of year.
yeah, that's right. And then I'm using a old clunker Windows
32
Vista
bit.
32-bit.
Mine would be 64-bit.
Most of you are going to either use Apple Safari or 32-bit or Mac or something like that. Or a Macintosh operating system. So now we want to download, and you get our choices of download links. I think Oregon State University is probably fairly reliable. Probably
Yeah,
not much spamware.
this takes a long time. Bear with us. Kick back, relax, bear with us.
Yeah, this takes about 3 minutes. Okay, tell us, Glistre Fine, how did you get wood stuck in your finger?
So I was walking past our table, and there was wood sticking off of it, and I kind of snapped my finger on it, and I got wood in it.
And how did you get that out?
Yes. We had to pull it out.
How?
We had to pull it out
With what?
with a bunch of, I guess, needles and...
Okay, and so are you ever planning on getting more wood stuck under your fingernails ever again?
Probably not.
That might not be a good idea, would it? Sounds pretty bad.
I
How'd
was
that happen?
walking across the table, and I think I snapped my finger on it or something, and somehow, I don't know how the wood got in there, but somehow wood got in my finger after I snapped it accidentally on the table.
Yeah, I bet you
And-
won't be doing that again, huh?
And for the first 30 minutes, I think it was really painful, I could say.
I don't think you're going to be snapping that wood under your fingernails again, are you?
No, it was an accident. It was like...
Okay, we're back, guys. Just finished downloading Eclipse. That was quite easy. I put it in our new programming folder, which I called 1.7.10 modding. So open up that folder.
Sorry, I keep on a mince and I have wood in my finger. It's too exciting.
Yeah, wood in your finger.
It's too exciting.
Open up that Eclipse folder, and in there should be a purple Eclipse logo. You want to right-click on that, and you probably want to do this. Send a shortcut to your desktop,
Eclipse.
and it's going to say Eclipse. So I'm going to
Perfect.
rename mine since I might be running different versions of Workspace. I'm just going to rename mine Eclipse 1.7.10. And then, let's see, we have a README. Let's double check, see if there's nothing it looks like Eclipse notes. Everything looks good there. Thank you for downloading. Back to our Eclipse folder. Any licensing agreements? Don't see anything. Back to the modding folder. And then the next step is now we're going to work on Forge. We are going to, if you installed and extracted Forge to this folder, you should see the gradlu.bat file, the Windows batch file. So I'm going to, we can either launch that or we can type it into our command prompt. I believe we're going to go ahead and open up a command prompt terminal, which may happen if you launch that file, but I'm going to do it the long way.
He
Open
likes
up
to do
another.
stuff the hard way.
That's right, more Glistre Fine always likes to do things the hard way. We want to make sure we're in the right folder,
If you have the
so
option.
change the directory to
You should just open that, you know.
let's see,
Just
to
open that.
desktop. Then we're going to change that to 1.7.
You should just open it the
10.
easy way.
Modding.
Oops.
Typo.
Sorry, guys.
Typo. I can spell it if you don't know how to spell modding. Lol. I'll do it.
No, that's okay. I just need to see what I name my folder. No space
You
there.
should just do it the easy way.
Now the next thing we want to do is write gradlu space setup decomp workspace. Whenever you run Java commands, you'll notice they're very picky about lowercase, uppercase. Java likes to do that. So set up decomp workspace. It looks like I've got a it's got to be exact. You know how machines are. And hit enter. And then this is going to take a minute as well. So
How it pops up all the dots.
seems to be running, and then we will
Is it
we're
gotta go
gonna-
all the way down?
edit the video, and then we'll
Yeah.
show you
Done. Looks like
show you when it's done. It's loading, configuring. You're going to see a lot of this, and it's going to last a while. When it's done, we'll show you the next part. Looks like the build was successful, and it took 11 minutes 11 seconds. The next step
11 minutes and 11 seconds. Perfect.
is to go to the end of your command prompt and type grad
Don't forget, Mr.
space
Fine has wood in his finger.
eclipse. And by the way, yesterday Glistre had wood in his finger.
He probably keeps one of that.
Hit enter. Okay guys, that after typing in gradlu space eclipse, assuming you have no problems with that, exit out of your command prompt and you're ready to launch your workspace. And I've set up a shortcut to Eclipse on my desktop if you'd like to do that, or you can just go into your programming modding folder that